Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today is all about these Eufy security cameras. We've got the P24 and the C24 and I'm going to compare them, and together we're going to find out which camera it fits better to your needs. Both cameras are great cameras. They are doing an amazing job. You can check down below the description of the video that I made testing and review them from the start to the end, and I have covered all the options and the settings, how you can manage and work with these cameras. And don't go away, watch this video until the end because I've got a surprise. Now both of the cameras, they are indoor cameras. You can use it indoors. Of course, the P24, it is pan and tilt. You can rotate it left and right, up and down. The C24, you can adjust it up and down manually. You can record on an SD card up to 128 gigabytes. You can store it on a cloud, on a NAS server. It is your choice. Wi-Fi connectivity is 2.4 GHz both of the cameras. They've got a built-in microphone, built-in speaker. You can get alerts, notification from your smartphone when motion detected from a human or a pet, or sound detected. Both of the cameras, they've got night vision, 8 LEDs illuminate up to 10 meters. They've got 8 times zoom. You can see everything by zooming to your smartphone. Both of the cameras are connected to a Eufy security app. Both of the cameras, they've got two-way audio communication. Communicate with a person that is in the area where is a camera and give him instruction or just chat with him. They've got activity zone. Both of the cameras, you can adjust in which area of your home you can get alerts. When they sense motion detection or sound detection, human or pet detection, instantly they will start to record at the SD card or at the cloud. And of course, both of the cameras, they've got 2K superior resolution. You will see everything at the day and at the night. You will not miss even a small spot. And of course, you can connect this camera to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and you will have a complete control over your surveillance. And of course, you don't need to pay any monthly fees. It is just free. Buy it once and you're okay. And as you can see, both of the cameras, they've got LEDs. And when you're live streaming, they go red. Same end to the other. The obviously difference between these two cameras, it is in P24. It is a pan and tilt. It can rotate left and right, up and down. And it has another great feature. It is the follow the action. When motion is detected, the camera automatically tracks and follows the moving object. Well guys, in the end, it is your choice which camera you want to choose. Both of the cameras are great. For me, I will choose the P24 because it has a pan and tilt rotation and it has the feature follow the action. I like that. And the big surprise that I mentioned in the start is the giveaway. I will give away 4 of these cameras, 2 P24 and 2 C24. It is a simple way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like this video, and follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Doing all that, you will have more opportunities to win, and I will choose a winner. All that you can find out down below in the description. And Eufy, it has so many products. You can check down below in the description, click the link eufy.com, and you will find so many products. I'm sure something you will like and just buy it. A big thanks to Eufy for trusting me and sending me these products and many other products. Well guys, that was all about. It is a giveaway day. Do what you have to do and just win these cameras. And with all that guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.